to get to 3 pools. So 3 pools better not disappoint. What? I've been waiting. So now we're gonna get back in the car. How long do we got until 3 pools? 10 minutes? Beach was real nice. But it's peaceful to just lay out, but it's not peaceful to get in that water. That water looks crazy. So let's head on to 3 pools. Yo, I'm excited. I got me some sushi, some coconut water, and let's go. Let the adventure begin. Yeah. Oh. Okay, so here we are. Here we are. Boom, 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 boom.
Trinidad.
There's this bridge over here. Yo, this looks kind of cool. It's not a lot going on just yet. But we got this amazing bridge right here. It looks pretty cool. Let's check out what's over here. Oh, well, obviously water, but oh, I don't know if you guys hear the sounds of nature, but it just sounds so peaceful. It's bringing me peace to mind after partying for a week straight. It's bringing me peace to mind. Woo. So let's go. Let's start it with this track. Yeah! 3 pools. Here we come, boy. Oh shoot! I already fell like 2 times. Look at my butt. Oh. Sports. I put my cross on sports mode, but it's not working. But you know what? I feel like this waterfall is gonna be worth it. So it's all about the end goal. So let's see. Oh my goodness! But we're crossing through the jungle. Look how beautiful. I heard some monkeys earlier. I've been trying to walk without recording because I would like to stay alive, you know. But I want to show you a little bit what it is to walk around here and get to the 3 pools. I'm out of breath, as you hear. But listen, that means I gotta get in the gym, get my workout in. Cause imagine I had to run, your girl gonna be out of stamina real fast. But look, I just love this. It looks so peaceful. Hold on to these branches now. Oi. Oi. Oh my God. Oh shoot. Help me. Do I just jump there?
Yeah, you can.
Yeah. Thank you. I need to wash my hand from my fall.
Not in Trinidad specifically, but all the cars.
There we go. We made it. Ooh.
Isa, when you get to the corner, lean out with the rope. Yeah, lean outside. Use your body weight to keep you grounded, basically. Oh. Alright. Yeah, so just lean out.
Lean out?
Yeah. You understand? Nice. Yeah, you got it. You know about it?
Like that?
Use your body weight to keep your feet secure, basically, with your rope. Make sense?
Yeah. Hold on to this.
Don't let go, yeah? Ooh, it's steamy.
Oh, Jesus. Okay. Yeah. Oh, made it already?
The tree, she done passed the tree already. Yeah, she done up top. Super local.
Yes, sir. You could go back there though, right?
Yeah, how you feeling?
Yeah.
It's not bad at all.
I thought it was gonna be like really bad. After I seen that, I was like, yeah, we're about to get to some serious climbing.
Well, they have a next track up there to make a big jump, and that one is hard to climb because you could jump off of that rock, and then there's a bigger rock on top that you could jump off of.
Can we go up there?
Yeah, but the second track is spacey.
Oh yeah, I want to jump. Oh yeah. Yo, we made it. We found 3 pools. What? Hey. Welcome to 3 pools, y'all. Wow. I feel like in my Tarzan era. Y'all see me climbing that? Well, come on now. I was doing some serious climbing. Whew. Now we can get in the water. Probably have to load up on some bug spray, and then we can enjoy. For now, let me get down from this rock first so I can get over there, and then maybe we'll head on to the rock that he's talking about to jump. Hey, I want to jump. I like to jump. You know, I like to jump off things. All right, guys, we have made it. I've taken my clothes off, and this is what I was giving for the bugs. In case you ever come to Trinidad and you need some bug spray, some serious bug spray, this is the cure right here. Because y'all know, I told y'all last time, the off repellent wasn't doing anything for me, so I had to find me some strong, some real strong. So here I am. We made it to 3 pools. It looks so pretty. Woo. This water feels wonderful. I'm ready to get rock and rolling. But first, I gotta get equipped with my bugs. That being said, let's go. On slide now. Ugh. Boom. Can you see me? These real Tarzan bikes. Ooh. Ooh, I'm sliding. Hold on. Ooh, gotta work my way there. Gotta work my way there. Ooh, I think I found you a better spot. Come here. Ooh. I hope there's no snakes here. Whew. I see a lot of bugs though. There's lots of bugs. It looks so cool. Yes, sir. Yeah. The current's not that bad. Oh, we could probably jump off that rock. Yeah! Nah, this is too fire. Look at this. Beautiful. Can you record me from up there? Oh, frick. I'm gonna jump in here. Swim back. Hold on. Oh shoot! This camera is strong. I gotta use both of my hands. Dang, I can't.
got a nightmare though, let's go.
Oh yeah! I'm ready. They call him Mike Phillips.
Mike Phillips.
Yes, sir. They call him Mike Phillips. Come on, Bob.
Me Michael Phelps. Michael Phelps. Yo! She's gone again. She's gone again.
I'm trying up. I'm getting back. Hold on. There we go. Okay, I'm back.
You got it. Start. Higher heights towards the outside. People's waterfall. Higher heights. Higher heights. Boom. One leg.
Yeah, boy. Oh my God, yes! I'm ready to ride it. Come on, let me get up.
No. I tried to go with me.
Finally, oh my goodness. Woo. Woo. That was tired. I swallowed so much water. It was a battle, but I made it. I didn't want to go the long way. Well, this was harder than I expected. Just because of this drop off. But amazing. Woo. Yeah, I'm going for a jump. Come on, Jesse. I'm definitely going to go for that jump. I'm here. If I leave without jumping, I didn't do it right. You already know the vibes. Woo. Oh shoot! Yo, nah. Woo!
Yeah, you outside.
Now what?
No, we gotta climb up here. Up on this log here.
Okay.
Hold on.
Okay. Oh my God, there's fishes!
Almost got blinded.
I almost fell.
Alright, round two.
Round two, come on. This is a serious mission right here.